Hi, I'm making a very short introduction video about Archaeology Cymru. Just like to briefly tell you about the printed publication that we send out for a whole year to our members. Membership is £28 and the publications that we send out on a very regular basis are full of views and news from our wonderful land of Cymru, Wales. And we have got a growing membership, and the printed publication is only sent to those who are members. We do lots of stuff online. We've got lots of online classes, and we put lots of content on Facebook and YouTube and so on. But to get the news out there, you've got to be a member. So if you want to join, we've got our website that you can actually join from, which is www.archaeologycymruonline.weebly.com, or there's a link down below. Put the amount of £28 in the PayPal link down below, and you can be a member for a whole year. Any further questions, put it in the comments box down below. Be very welcome to join as a member and make a difference for the heritage of Cymru today, when organisations like CADU are doing very little to assist the preservation and broadcasting how wonderful our heritage is. This is KARL-JAMES Langford for Archaeology Cymru, and you have been invited to become a member today for a whole year. Thank you very much.